Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for event finance management. First things first, let's create a new project. UPBASE makes it easy. Just click on the New Project button, enter your event's details, and hit Create. This helps us because it sets the foundation for all our event financial tracking. Now that we've done that, let's add our budgets. Go to the Budget tab, click Add, and input your estimated costs for various aspects of your event. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of where our money is going. Next up, we're adding income sources. In the Income tab, click Add and input any sponsorships, ticket sales, or other revenues. This is critical as it helps us understand our total available funds. Now on to the fun part, tracking expenses and income in real time. As you spend and earn, update the figures in the Budget and Income tabs. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is comparing your actuals to your estimates, helping you keep track of your financial performance. Finally, monitor your finances at a glance. In the Dashboard tab, you'll see a real-time overview of your event finances. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you a snapshot of how well you're sticking to your budget and where adjustments might be needed. And there you have it. That's how you use UPBASE for event finance management. It's all about setting up your project, inputting your budgets and income sources, tracking your actuals, and keeping an eye on your dashboard. With UPBASE, keeping your event finances under control just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.